The first thing you need to do is find the video you want to embed on YouTube. So if you don't have the video yet, just upload the video. If some is a video you've uploaded before, just find the video, click this icon, click on share, then copy the link. Then you go to your WordPress post, find a suitable spot where you want to embed the video. Just create a paragraph for that spot. I want to embed my video below this particular paragraph. All I need to do is create a new paragraph by clicking enter on my keyboard. Then I click this plus icon, add block. Then I click on YouTube. If you can't find this particular block, you just need to search for it. YouTube is here, just click on it. Then you paste the link you copied from YouTube. Once you've pasted it, you click on embed, and that's it. That's how you embed your video, your YouTube video, on your WordPress posts.